This is my sister's story. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. There was my sister, Sarah. She liked to read books and learn new things. She was very smart and always wanted to help people. One day, when Sarah was a little girl, she saw a TV show about doctors. They were helping sick people feel better. She thought, I want to be a doctor when I grow up, so I can help people too. As Sarah got older, she worked hard in school. She learned about the human body and how it works. She read many big books about medicine, but she always tried to understand and explain things in simple words. Sarah's dream was to become a doctor, so she went to college. She studied science and medicine for many years. It was not easy, but she never gave up. She learned how to take care of people when they are sick. Finally, after a lot of studying and working at the hospital, Sarah became a doctor. She was so happy. Now, she could help people who were not feeling well. Sarah saw patients every day. Some had fevers, some had broken bones, and some just needed someone to talk to. She always listened carefully to their problems and talked to them in a way they could understand. One day, she met a little girl named Lily. Lily was scared because she had to stay in the hospital. Sarah talked to Lily gently and told her what was happening. She explained that she was there to make Lily feel better. Lily smiled and said, "Thank you, Dr. Sarah." Sarah helped many people in her life. She made them feel better when they were sick. She told them what they needed to do to stay healthy. She always used easy words so everyone could understand. Sarah's dream of becoming a doctor came true, and she made a big difference in many people's lives. She showed us that with hard work and a big heart, you can help others and make the world a better place.